Now we will see how to arrive at the cost of fencing a triangular park. The question before us is a triangular park ABC has sides 120, 80 and 50 meter. You can see that these are the three sides 120, 80 and 50. We have to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. It says that we need to grow grass at all the triangular park and we have to put wires all around the park. How much area we need to plant, that is how much is the area of triangle where area of triangular park where we have to put grass. Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of 20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. It says that when we are putting the wires on all the sides of the triangular park, we will leave a space of 3 meter in between on one side. You can see that on the other sides A, B and AC, the wires are being put in full. But on the side BC, there is an entry gate of 3 meter. That is, the wires will not be put in this 3 meter. So from this we see that perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means the length of total of length of all the three sides of the triangle. That is, perimeter is A plus B plus C. We put in the relevant values 50 plus 80 plus 120. This is the perimeter. Perimeter is 250 meter. Now to arrive at the area of triangle, we will use Heron's formula. What the Heron's formula says? Heron's formula says that the area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is the value of S? S means semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter is already told is the half of perimeter, and so semi-perimeter is 125 meter. We will put in the relevant values. 125 into 125 minus 50, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 120. So here 125 into this 75, this will 45, this 5. So here we will do prime factorization of all these numbers. 125 can be written as, this is prime factorization of 125. Now this is the prime factorization of 75. Now 45. This is the prime factorization of 45. So we can also write it as 5 square, 5 square, 5 square, 3 square, and what is left is 3 into 5. In other words, we can write it as 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 under root 15. 375 under root 15 square meter. This is the area we need to plant. we need to plant grass. This is 75. We have calculated so far only the one part of the question. Now the other part is, what is the cost of fencing? So when we are putting fencing, we will put all around the triangle. That is, we will take care of perimeter. Perimeter is 25 meter. But here an important point, entry point is leaving a space. Entry point is 3 meter. So after reducing that, the area of fencing is length of fencing 250 minus 3, because we will leave this 3 meter. It is 247. That is the length where we will have to put wires is only 247 meter. So now the rate of fencing is given to us as 20 meter. So the cost of fencing 247 meter is equal to 247 into rate. What is the rate? 20. So this is the cost of fencing 4940. This is the cost of putting the wire which we will have to incur. Thanks for watching, and we will now do the recap. Heron's formula is used to find the area of a triangle when the length of all the three sides are known. Heron's formula is area of triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. A quadrilateral is a geometrical shape that has 4 sides, 4 corners and 4 angles. We can use the Heron's formula to find the area of a quadrilateral whose sides and as well as one diagonal are given to us. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.